Now it's a time to start our part 2 session that's called the cue card session. Your question is describe a luxury, क्योंकि मैं यहाँ बता देती हूँ, describe a luxury item you would like to own in the future. You should say what item you would like to own, what this item looks like, and why you would like to own this item, and explain whether you will ever own or no. It means a luxurious item that you will have a plan to get it in your future, what kind of the specification it will have and why, and some other reasons as well. So, okay Ashad, are you ready for it? Okay, let's start the session.
So the lavish item I really want to own was a car or a bike to ride the far locations and just to enjoy my life. Mostly I really want to use that car or bike just to enjoy some views and scene and to travel travel around the country or the city. The reason I really want to own that car because nowadays I am very busy in my studies and my work, so I have to travel very various places. But now I don't have a car or a bike or any as such transport, so I have to book my rides online or to pay extra money just to reach that destination. So the reason I really want that car is because I want to become independent from asking my friends or family to take me to those places. And secondly, I really want to enjoy my time riding or driving the vehicle. My long term, I have decided to buy that car or bike for a long term plan. My long term plan would be as I'm studying, so I don't have a specific job, but I'm earning more and more and saving it just to get that item.
Okay, student, this is the end of the part 2. So I would like to give the honest suggestion जो मुझे देनी चाहिए. यहाँ जो क्वेश्चन है आपको ऑन स्क्रीन नज़र आ जाएगा, लेकिन यहाँ कुछ सब क्वेश्चंस थे. व्हाट आइटम यू वुड लाइक टू ओन. स्टूडेंट ने बहुत अच्छे से कवर किया इस वाले क्वेश्चन को, बेहतर है. व्हाट दिस आइटम लुक लाइक, ये वाला क्वेश्चन मिसिंग हो गया, क्योंकि वाई यू वुड लाइक टू ओन दिस आइटम, आप इसको क्यों लेना चाहेंगे, इसका भी जवाब दिया. एंड वेदर यू विल एवर ओन, ये वाला भी था. लेकिन इसमें एक पार्ट मिसिंग था, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड व्हाट दिस आइटम लुक्स लाइक, यानी उसके कुछ फीचर्स मुझे बताने थे. तो यहाँ पर ये थोड़ा सा मिसिंग हो गया. अगर आप इनके जवाब शुरू में कवर कर दें और किसी एक पार्ट को डायरेक्ट कर दें तो वो बेहतर है. लेकिन दिस इज़ द एंड ऑफ द पार्ट 2, और पार्ट 2 में आपने कोशिश करनी होती है कि तमाम क्वेश्चंस के जवाब आपने पहले कवर करने होते हैं. इसका स्टार्ट लेने के लिए एक अच्छा तरीका होता है, this is a so relevant या relatable question for me and I would like to discuss about this question. Start लें and end में एक word ज़रूर लगा दें. whenever you think I am getting stuck, overall this thing is so good या this thing is so desirable for me. end में overall and शुरू में I would like to, ऐसे करके आपने बात स्टार्ट करनी होती है. एंड अब हम चलते हैं अपने पार्ट 3 सेशन की तरफ. एंड पार्ट 3 सेशन मीन्स ये हमारा वो सेशन होता है जिसमें थोड़ा सा हमें डिस्कशन सेशन की तरफ जाना होता है. So Ashad, we are moving towards the part 3 session. Which expensive item would many young people in your country like to buy?
In my country, the most luxurious item is considered iPhone. iPhone basically is a device which the young generation want to show off, and it's considered a lavish in my country. And basically, most of the young generation just want to show what they have got and just don't want any basically.
Whenever you are getting stuck, try to create some linking words. Additionally, furthermore, the interesting part is that so आप इसे continue कर सकते हैं. Don't need to be worried about it because this is general phenomena. If you are getting stuck somewhere, so no worries about it because English is not our native language as well. Okay, Ashad, continue.
I think iPhone is a something that which is considered luxury in my country. So many young generation really want to show off their thing to friends and family. For example, my cousin just started a demand from their parents to get the phone just to become a center of attraction in his gathering.
How do the expensive items that younger people want to buy differ from those that older people want to buy?
Mostly the younger generation wanna buy an expensive item just to show off or to become the center of attraction, and they don't have a sense of responsibility and care for money. So they usually buy the thing just for their own, therefore just only for them. But for the older generation, they usually buy the expensive item which are like homes or different properties for the sake of their family and just for their own reliance.
Do you think that people are more likely to buy expensive items for their friends or for themselves?
In my culture and my country, mostly the people don't buy the luxury items for themselves, because I think that in my culture or in my religion there is a part where you have to fulfill the dreams of your family and the needy people. So buying a luxury and spending that much money on a luxury thing will not be good for the ethical point of view, I think.
यहाँ पर हमने देखा कि स्टूडेंट ने एक वर्ड लग्जरी को रिपीट किया, तो इससे होता क्या है, it shows your lackness in your vocabulary, so you need to say the excellent, the prestigious, well and good, imported items, the costly items. आप इसको मुख्तलिफ वर्ड्स कह सकते हैं. So I hope you like this session. If you really like it, follow and do comments and inshallah I will reply you back. इसके साथ ही मुझे इजाज़त दीजिए, आपसे फिर मुलाकात होगी एक नए सेशन के साथ. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.